styling for men, best professional, short, and modern lock styles. Hello, everyone, and welcome. If you're looking for a hairstyle that's stylish, versatile, and built to last, dreadlocks are one of the best choices you can make. More than just a hairstyle, locks represent confidence, patience, culture, and personal identity. Whether you're a professional, a student, an entrepreneur, or someone who simply wants a fresh new look, there's a dreadlock style that's perfect for you. I'm Anne Wagama from Nakuru Locks and Braiding, and for more than 14 years, I've helped men achieve healthy, well-maintained locks that fit both modern lifestyles and African heritage. Today, we'll explore the best dreadlock styling for men, including short dreadlocks for men, professional low-C styles, and male low-C styles for every stage of your lock journey. Why dreadlocks remain. Popular dreadlocks have been worn for thousands of years across Africa and many other parts of the world. In East Africa, Maasai warriors traditionally wore locks as symbols of strength and courage. Today, locks continue to represent confidence, individuality, and cultural pride. You'll see men wearing dreadlocks everywhere, from corporate offices and universities to sports, entertainment, and fashion. Well-maintained locks can look just as professional as any other hairstyle. Choosing the right dreadlock style. The best dreadlock style depends on your hair type, face shape, lifestyle, and how much maintenance you're comfortable with. If you prefer a clean, low-maintenance look, short locks are an excellent choice. If you like styling your hair in different ways, medium-length locks offer more flexibility. Long locks make a bold statement and provide endless styling options, but they also require more regular care. At Nakuru Locks and Braiding, we always recommend a style that suits both your personality and your daily routine. Short dreadlocks for men. Short dreadlocks for men are among the most popular styles because they're neat, lightweight, and easy to maintain. A tapered fade with short locks creates a clean, modern appearance that's perfect for both professional and casual settings. High-top locks are another favorite, giving you extra volume on top while keeping the sides sharp and fresh. Many clients also add creative partings or shaved designs to personalize their look without sacrificing professionalism. Professional lock styles for men. One of the biggest myths about dreadlocks is that they aren't suitable for the workplace. In reality, professional low-C styles are simply neat, well-maintained, and properly shaped. Clean partings, evenly sized locks, regular maintenance, and a fresh taper or fade create a polished appearance that's appropriate for business meetings, interviews, and everyday office wear. Whether your locks are short, medium, or long, good maintenance makes all the difference. Male lock styles for medium and long hair. Male lock styles become even more versatile as your hair grows. Medium-length locks can be worn loose, tied into a ponytail, or styled into a man bun, making them perfect for men who like changing their look. Long dreadlocks offer even more possibilities, including braided styles, high buns, and classic free-flowing locks. Although longer locks require more maintenance, they reward you with unmatched versatility and timeless style. Keeping your dreadlocks healthy. Healthy locks begin with proper care. Wash your hair every 1 to 3 weeks using a residue-free shampoo, moisturize your scalp with lightweight oils, and avoid heavy products that leave buildup. Most importantly, schedule regular maintenance every 4 to 8 weeks to keep your roots neat and your locks healthy. With consistent care, your dreadlocks will stay clean, strong, and looking their best. Frequently asked questions. What is the best dreadlock style for men? The best style depends on your lifestyle and personal preference. Short tapered locks are ideal for professionals, medium locks offer the most versatility, and long locks provide endless styling possibilities. Are dreadlocks suitable for professional workplaces? Absolutely. Clean, well-maintained locks are accepted in many professional environments and create a polished, confident appearance. Final thoughts. Whether you choose short locks, medium styles, or long dreadlocks, the right hairstyle should reflect your personality while protecting your natural hair. At Nakuru Locks and Braiding, we're passionate about creating dreadlock styles that combine expert craftsmanship, healthy hair care, and modern fashion. If you enjoyed this guide, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who's thinking about starting their LOC journey, and subscribe for more hairstyle inspiration, professional hair care tips, and real salon transformations. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care of your hair, take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.